statewide management and monitoring plan. Will also include genetic protocols developed by Dr. Shire at the San Diego Zoo's Wildlife Conservation Alliance.
So Dr. Shire is the person who started this project and began working with the RCHCA over a decade ago. And she started working with Stephens Kangaroo Rats in terms of developing translocation techniques and looking at habitat management strategies, especially preparing the habitat to be more suitable to bring SKR into the habitat. The zoo did this range-wide genetic study, and we got a lot of really interesting information about how the different populations are similar or different from each other in terms of their genetics, but we didn't have enough answers to help really inform how to manage these different populations, which ones should maybe be prioritized for translocation or genetic augmentation. And so what I've taken on as a postdoc with Dr. Shire is looking at the landscape level effects. So what's the connectivity? Were these populations historically isolated, or has that happened more recently? And if it happened more recently, then what are ways that we can start to reverse that isolation? Can we figure out areas to restore corridors so that the animals can naturally move? Can we think about which populations could be used for translocation into which other populations? And so really sort of getting into a deeper dive into understanding the management applications of that research, bring that to a place where the managers can use that information a little bit more freely. And so I think there's a lot of promise to use the results that we have to improve the outcome for the species across its entire range.